Hello team, welcome back. And today we will see how we can expose the counter metric on Go application. In the previous lecture, we created a sample Go application, and today we will see how we can expose the counter application on that sample Go application. So we will go to the code editor. In the code editor, I will create another file and call it counter.go. In the counter.go, I will copy the complete code of my previous app.go file. So after copy the code of app.go in the counter.go, you are getting some error on the main function and start my app function. Let's leave it. I will explain it later. But before doing any change over here, first let's go through the client library of Go language in Prometheus. So I will go to the browser. In your browser, we will search for the Prometheus. On the Prometheus official site, we will click on many client libraries, and within the client library or within the official client library, we are getting the Go library. Click on the Go library, click on the readme.md, and you can learn about the Go library over here. If you want to go through some kind of samples, you can go through the example directory. If you want to go through the code coverage or the guide that how the Prometheus will use the Go library, then you can click on this guide link. Once you will click on this guide link, it will redirect you on the Prometheus official site again. And here we are getting few instructions how to install the Prometheus library packages, how Go expositions work, adding your own metric and other Go client feature and the summary. Very first it is saying that we need the three packages. First we need the Prometheus, second we need the Prom Auto, and third we need the Prom HTTP library to work with the counter metric. And how we can consume them. To consume them, we need to consume them like this. We need to keep these packages within the import like this. So what you need to do, you need to keep all these packages within your import. Correct. If you will go down, you see like this. You need to import all three packages. So I will simply copy this code from the official site and I will put it here in my file. Reformat this code a bit. Few more changes what I need to do. If I will go to the official site again, then there are no more changes what I need to do. Only things what I need to perform is to install these libraries, right? By using these commands, go get Prometheus, go get Prom Auto, and go get Prom HTTP. I will execute it later. Very first, let's reformat this code file. So we have copied all three packages. What other changes I need to do? So to install these packages, let's open the terminal, new terminal, and execute the command which we are getting over here. So I will first get it, the Prometheus one. We can check that it is downloading the package version 1.12.2. We have to wait until this package download will be done. This package download is done. I will go with the next one, and I will go with the next one. All three packages are done. If you will go to the go.mode, you can see few new packages are being added over here. After the package is done, we can declare the metric. So I will define the variable over here. Now I will define the code which I can use to instrument this application with the counter metric. So we are defining a variable request count. Request count is using the prom auto, and within the prom auto we are using the new counter which is Prometheus counter opts. In the Prometheus counter opts, we are getting the name and help. Name is the name of my metric which is Go app request count, and help is total app HTTP request count. We are still getting the error within the main function and the start app function. We will resolve it shortly. So once you define the request count, how we can add the counter within my function, because this is my function, right? Main function is just calling this function. At which particular point I need to include the counter so that it will count the number of requests once the request is completed. So I believe I don't need to repeat that how I can include the counter metric. I simply declare it over here. I will define the request count dot increment. So we have added the incremental function which will basically increment the count on the counter metric. But over here you can see we are not exposing the metrics anywhere. So what I need to do, I need to add one more line over here, and using this line I will expose my matrix URI. So I have declared the another route path slash matrices, and in the slash matrices we have a handler which is basically using the prom http handler. The prom http is a package which we downloaded or imported over here. Let's save this. Once you will save this, you are still getting the error on the main and start app my function. Why we are getting this error? In the Go you cannot keep the multiple main method within a single directory. We are creating both of the file within a same directory, and both of my function app.go and counter.go are using the main. So that is something which is problematic in the Go, but it will not impact your use case. So let's save it, open the terminal, and let's try to execute your file. So over here we have updated the println statement as well, starting the application server counter metrics. To execute my file, I will go run, go to the directory and type the file name, hit enter, and you can see the HTTP server is started. We are getting the message starting the application server counter metrics. I will go to my browser. On the browser, let's refresh my URL localhost port 80 user, and let's refresh it for some another user like Mike. Hit enter. We are getting the updated message, hi buddy, your name is Mike. If we will refresh it some for other user like Jenny, hit enter, we are getting a message, hi buddy, your name is Jenny. So if you remember that we have exposed one more URL on my localhost port 9090, and which is metrics. Hit enter, and we are getting the metric result. If you will go to the file, we have the metric name go app request count. We are getting it over here. Total 2 requests are basically executed till date. We are getting 2 over here. We are getting few more count, like we are getting the go info which is go 1.18.4, which is the go which I'm using on my machine, and we are getting the more info like Prometheus metric handler request in flight, which is 1. If you will refresh your metric page again and again, you can see this request is basically increasing, which is Prometheus metric handler request total. So total 200 code is 3. If I will refresh it again, every time I'm refreshing it, this request is changing. But the total app count is still same. This is 2. This will only change once I will refresh this. I refreshed this particular URL 3 times. So now total count should be 5. So this is the way how we can add the counter metric in the Go app. If you want to add this instrumentation in your Prometheus server, then you know very well, first you need to commit this file. So I will commit this code. After your code commit, I will go to my DigitalOcean account. On the DigitalOcean account, I will refresh my practice machine, and I will refresh my Prometheus machine as well. So over here I'm on the practice machine. Clear out the console, put ls, and we have the Prometheus. Let's go to the Prometheus, put ls, and we have the application instrumentation and the Docker instrumentation. Let's execute git pull. So you can see it has downloaded the another folder called Go instrumentation. Put ls, we have the Go instrumentation. After the git pull, let's clear out your console and verify if the Go is installed on your machine or not. So we will execute the command go version, and Go is not installed by default on my machine, but I'm getting the command by which I can basically install the Go. So it is saying that we can install the Go using this command apt install golang -go. I will simply execute this command, provide my confirmation. We will wait until the installation is in progress. It is asking which service I want. I want all, so I will go with the OK. And this is done. Clear out the console, execute the Go version again. So Go version Go 1.18.1 Linux AMD 64 is installed on my machine. So if I need to execute the counter metric, very first I need to install the packages, right? Which package I need to install? The package which I used in my file. So this and this. So what I will do, I will copy this, execute go get, paste it here, hit enter. Similarly, provide this, go get, hit enter, and similarly provide this as well, go get, paste it here, right? Now we are all set to execute my file. If I will put ls, we have the go instrumentation. To execute the go file, I will execute go run, go to the go instrumentation and execute the counter dot go, hit enter. It is downloading the musk 1.8.0. So basically it will auto download the dependent packages and then it will start the execution of my file. So as soon as the package got downloaded, it has started the execution of my metric. Now what I will do, I will copy the IP address of my machine, of my practice machine. This is the IP of my practice machine. I will copy it here, try to access it on port 8000 users, and you can type any name. I'm typing like Brooke. Hit enter and we are getting the message, hi buddy, your name is Brooke. Similarly, if I will copy it and try to access the matrix, we are getting the matrix as well. So I will go to the Prometheus, which is my Prometheus server, go to the fish, and on the Prometheus server, we will edit the prometheus.yaml, which is a Prometheus configuration file. So very first, we will go to the directory Prometheus server Prometheus. Over here, we have the prometheus.yaml. I will open this file. And I will update any job. So you can see here is a job called Docker custom app. What I will do, I will simply copy this, go to the insert mode. Okay, there is an indentation error. So I need to correct this indentation error. Change the job name. I will keep it Go app and I will update the target. So target is again 146.190.22.199, which is the IP of my worker machine. And this time I have the port 8000. Let's save this. If you will go to your Prometheus server, over here we have the Prometheus server. I will go to the targets. So I don't have the target Go app, right? So what I will do, I will restart my Prometheus process. Prometheus is killed. I will restart my Prometheus. Prometheus is restarted. Go to the browser, refresh the Prometheus. It is saying Go app is here, but we are not getting that the application is up. Let's wait for a few seconds and we will refresh the Prometheus target page again. Let's refresh it again and we are getting the Go app is up and running. If you will go to the graph and you want to execute your metrics, so I have the metrics like Go app request count. I will type it here, execute it, go to the graph and go to the 5 minute. So we are getting that there is a one request, right? So we are getting the data for the Go app request count. On the similar fashion, if you will calculate any other metric, suppose you want to calculate the metric like Prometheus metric handler request total. So let's check this metric. We have this metric available, execute this, and we are getting the different data that this is available for the Go app, Prometheus node exporter, Go app, and few other things, and which is with the different code. So let's check. We want this metric for the job Go app only. So I will put the selector over here. For this, you will need to put the curly braces and type job equals to, put a single quote or double quote and define the job name. So suppose in my case, which is a Go app, I will execute this. Now you are getting the data for the Go app only, right? And this is the data for the Go app, that we have this metric available for the response code 200, 500 and 503. There is nothing available for the 503 and 500, but we have the data available for the 200. So team, this is the way how you can incorporate the counter metric in your Go application. Thank you team. See you next time.